Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Anno Space, where we review spiritual products and how you can use them to make life very comfortable for you and to put your enemies and the devil into shame by the special grace of God. So, guys, here I am here to review this one particular and very wonderful product that you can use whenever you want to go for job interview or you want to go for an interview. Maybe you're planning to move outside the country. Hmm? You're planning to move outside the country and you want them to give you that visa. There's this one product that you can always use to achieve that by special grace of God. So I am here to review this product called Miss Paris. This product, it is called Miss Paris. It's a wonderful perfume, well consecrated, that you can use to, you know, to make things happen quickly in your life, especially when it comes to visa or job interview. So these are the two things that you can use this perfume to achieve. It has numerous benefits, but these two that I just mentioned are the most important ones that you can use it to do. All right. But before I go into that video, I want to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. May God Almighty bless you. And if today is your first time of seeing my face, you're highly welcome to Anno Space, where we review spiritual products and how to use them to make your life so smooth and to put the devil into shame. Okay, so please do well by subscribing, liking this video, and also make sure that you share this video. As you do so, may God Almighty bless you. Now, guys, if you have an important places like where you are trying to secure a job and they just call you for interview and you are afraid, you have prayed, you in fact you have prayed, but you have this mind that they're not going to give you. See, child of God, you don't need to fear again. All you have to do after you commit that position into the hand of God, while you are going, please get me this perfume. Pray over this perfume, sprinkle it, and ask favor to follow you. And favor, that favor that you ask to follow you, will follow you down to that place. They will interview you and they will give you that job. That is the one thing that this Miss Paris perfume does. Or you can even put it in your mouth like this, as if you're sipping water. Okay? And then you go out for that job interview. Anything that you say, anything that comes out from your mind or your mouth while they are interviewing you, will be sweet. They will like it. They will like everything about you and they will give you that job. Or you are looking for visa. You have tried, they have denied you so many visa. Do not cry again, child of God. Next time you are going for that visa interview, no matter the country, no matter how hard that country seems, in your presence, when you are going, also wear this perfume. It is a perfume. Wear it starting from your head down to your feet. Also make sure that it touches your forehead and your back head like this. Then you wear it all over your body and you also sip it like this as if you want to sip some little water. Okay? You just sip it like this and then say, God, come and take control. Let them favor you today. That anything that comes out from your word will be perfect and nothing but perfect. And that whoever that is going to interview for that visa, for that job, will find favor. You will find favor in that person. That person will find favor in you. So that is what they use this perfume for. It is called Miss Paris. Okay, Miss Paris. So that's just the end of this video, guys. Please like this video for me, share it. All right, and if you need to reach me out, maybe you want me to help you for prayers, all you have to do is to chat me on this number 090 59825779 090 I am active on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely day. Remain blessed. Bye.